Hi, welcome to Automation Partners AI. Today I'm going to show you how to do the registration on Leads and the AI apps. It's now ranking number 1 on organic traffic. It's going to ranking on AEO, artificial engine optimization, soon. So if you search with our apps, you'll see also our apps soon. So if you want to login, you need to registrations, and if you go to the automationpartners.ai, then you will see the product Leads and AI app. And first of all, you need to click on the registrations and you just fill up all this stuff. You can also add your phone numbers and address optionals, and after doing the registrations it will say successfully done. Then you go back and add the passwords and mails and you get in. Just like you can see, it's saying checkmark. If your registration wasn't successful, it will not show you the checkmark, and then a login will be successfully done.